Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Labubu error access denied. Please try again later. This error comes when users try to access the Mart website or app. It prevents users from logging in, browsing products, or viewing their account details. According to our research, this error is likely caused by VPN interference, network restrictions, or temporary access limitations on the platform. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to check if you have a VPN running in the background. If yes, disable the VPN and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If that doesn't help, try accessing the website or app from a different device and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try using a different browser and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try downloading and using Chrome on your phone and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, log out of your account. Then click on a product and log back in again. If you still get the error, try enabling a VPN this time and see if it works. Some users found the error disappeared when using a VPN. At last, if the error still persists, it's likely a temporary server-side issue. So wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.